A handy tool on the Promethean active panel is the spinner. If I come over here into my locker, and then spinner's just down here in the corner, it's the pink one. What this allows me to do is it allows me to create different kinds of spinners. So there's some already there. So I've got this one here for choosing colours. If I come down here, I can have numbers, I can have vowels and constants, but I can also create my own. So one that I've created is names of students in my class. So now I can spin the spinner and I know who I'm next going to ask a question of. So there's lots you can do with this. You can use it for geography, entering the countries, all sorts of things, but nice and easy to do. If I just minimise that there, into your menu, into the locker, and then spinner is just here. To create your own, it's just the tab at the top, and you can enter in all the information you want.